Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the Teams app is up to date, because background tools appear only in recent builds. Once done, join the meeting or open your meeting preview so the camera feed is active. This is necessary to access background options. Next, tap the camera preview area to reveal camera controls and the three-dot menu. Make sure the camera is on and you have good lighting so the background detection can work accurately as you proceed to the next steps. Now tap the three-dot More Options menu, then pick Background Effects. This is where Teams shows blur and images. You can choose blur for a simple hide or scroll the built-in images to pick one that suits your meeting tone. You can also add a custom image if available. Once you select an option, tap Apply to enable it. Make sure to do this before you start speaking or anytime during the call. This ensures your background change takes effect immediately for other participants. Finish by previewing how you look with the new background and confirm there are no odd artifacts around your silhouette. Make minor camera angle or lighting tweaks if necessary. If the background misbehaves, toggle it off and back on or switch the front/back camera to reset detection. If background effects aren't visible at all, close and reopen Teams, check for app updates, and restart your phone. This usually resolves permission or version issues, so you can reapply the background successfully.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.